Good afternoon, students. The chapter 1 is numbers to 10,000. Chapter 1 is numbers to 10,000. In Indian place value system, there are 4 periods. In Indian place value system, there are 4 periods. First period is ones period. In ones period, there are 3 places: ones, tens, 100. You also study in previous class ones, tens, 100. Then in thousand period, 1000 and 10,000. 1000 and 10,000. In third period is lakh and 10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh. In fourth period is crore and in 10 crore. In our class we study in 10,000. There is no in lakh period, we study in 1000 period. Ones and 1000 period. And how to write, again you repeat this: ones, tens, 100, then put comma, 1000, 10,000. Each group and we put comma. In ones period, after ones period we put comma. Again, how to write this number? Then ones, tens, 100, then put comma, 1000, 10,000. Okay? Then read, how to read this number? 37,450. Then you read this 3 in together, this 2 together. Read again, 37,450. Again, read this number also, 45,155. 45,155. Now next topic is place value. Face value and place value. Face value and place value. Here, what is the place value? Place value is face value multiply place of the digit. That is face value. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 4 is 4. Then place value. Face value of 6 is 6. Multiply. Which place it is? Sit one's place. Then face value of 8 is 8. Which place sit 10. Then face value of 5 is 5. Which place sit 100. Then face value of 7 is 7. Which place sit 1000. Then face value of 4 is 4. Which place sit 10,000. Then we write 6, 80, 500, then 7,000, then 40,000. You understand this? Face value. Then expanded form. How to expanded this? Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 4 is 4. Then face value. Next topic, face value. Again one example you say, what is the face value of 3? 3. What is the face value of 5? 5. What is the face value of 7? 7. What is the face value of 4? 4. Then what is the face value and place value of 7? Which is the question? What is the face value and place value of 7? You make it 2 column, face value, then place value. Here, what is the face value of 7? 7. Here, face value multiply. Which place 7 sit? 100. is equal to 700. Understand this topic? Then how to compare the number? How to compare? Comparing number. Comparing number. 4785, here 4735. Ones, first you place value look ones, tens, 100,000. Here also ones, tens, 100,000. Then 4, first 4,000 place you look at 4. Here also 4. Then next place 100 place 7. Here also 7. Next place 8. 8. Here 3. Which is greater? 8 is greater. Therefore 4785 is greater. Understand? Then forming a number. How to form a number? Forming a number. Write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using these digits. Four, 0, 2, 3. We forming a greatest and smallest. First we smallest number. We arrange this in ascending order. Which order? Ascending order. We get a greatest number. We arrange these digits in descending order. Then first we write, which is the smallest number here? 0. We don't take 0 in first. We take a 2 in first, then 0, then 3, then 4. We don't put a comma in answer. Then which is the greatest digit? 4, 3, 2, 0. Understand this? Thank you.